Imagine you get paid $3 for every email submitted with a simple and easy trick that I am going to show you today. This is the proof. I have earned $78 with 26 submitted emails, which means I got paid $3 for each submitted email. No selling, no complicated funnels, just a simple sign up and boom, $3 in your account. This is exactly what the platform that I'm going to show you pays for every single new sign up through your link. And yes, you can do this even if you've never made a dollar online before. In this video, I'll show you how to turn this $3 per email method into $50 or even $100 a day. Plus, I will give you a magic link which will pay you $0.3 per click. This is not like CPA marketing self-clicking, which seems to be dead in 2025. This is going to be a real and long-term business which will make you making money without having the stress of getting an account ban. Are you curious to know about it? Let's get started. The platform that will pay you $3 per email submission is Amazon. Amazon is one of the most trusted brands in the world. People sign up without hesitation. People are making thousands of dollars on Amazon per day by selling digital, but most of them don't know there's a secret link which will enable you to earn $3 per registration without making any sales. Do you know what that secret link is? That is the baby registry offer. This is free, meaning zero friction for signups. You will get paid $3 per signup, and those who sign up will get a free Amazon baby gift. Let's make a simple calculation. Assume you get 17 signups day, $51 day, $530 month. 34 signups day equal 102 day, $3,060 a month. You are rich to come by implementing the trick that I'm going to show you. This is predictable, repeatable, and safe. Now let's see how to get your Amazon baby registry link. First, head over to your Google, then search for Amazon Associates Sign Up. Register for a free account by filing your name, email, and password. Then follow the simple steps to completely set up your account, like address information and phone number. On websites, if you don't have one, you can create the website with system.io and use it. You will find all links and material in the PDF below. Just click on Download PDF and get everything you need to start this business. After adding a website, you need to add store ID. This is important to not fill the ID, which you will remember since we are going to use it. Lastly, fill the captcha, agree to terms and conditions, and click on Finish. Now your account is ready to make money. The simple way to get your Amazon Baby Registry affiliate link is just copy the link attached in the PDF, attached in the description below, then your store ID, like this one. My store ID is SideJeffa20, so I add it after the link. You can search for it if it works before sharing. This is the shortcut way rather than applying and waiting for approval, and you will get paid as soon as someone registers under your link. So after getting your baby registry affiliate link, just copy it, ready to earn money. But before I show you where to put your affiliate link and get at least 26 registration per day, let me show you a system which will make you develop real online business and make money while you sleep. I've made a total of $626 with this system. And to show you a proof, as you see here, $1 paid, then 2.1, 1.2, again 2.1 and more. And I've been paid all $600 to show proof. If I scroll down, you can see here paid, and 408 paid. This system is called the OLSP system. The easy way to make money with this method is by Magic Link, where you will be paid $0.3 per each person who will click on it. And if I go back to my earning, it all comes from Magic Link. And this click was from self-clicking with AdsPower and free proxy. So that is the alternative of CPA self-clicking method, since this website has a weak security system which will not detect you if you're doing self-clicking. So to get the magic link, click the link of OLSP system in the PDF. Then register for a free account, and on homepage scroll down till you find list building training and magic link. Click on Access Product and follow the training and instruction attached to grab your magic link and start to make at least $6 a day with this magic link. Also, there are many ways of making money in this system, like getting paid $0.25 per each supportive comment that you will comment on other people's posts. And the good thing with it, there is training on each product, so take your time and learn how to make money online. Could you please show some appreciation by hit like and subscribe button, please? Thank you for your appreciation. Now let me show you how to share your Amazon Baby Registry affiliate link to earn $3 per sign up. First step, you need to create a landing page, which will not only increase engagement and click-through rate, but also it will collect all emails for those who will sign up for your link. Those collected emails will be used to promote other links like Magic Link from OLSP and Direct Link from AdsPower or monetize, since those people will get their Amazon free gift, so they will build trust on you, and anything shared to them will have a high click-through rate. To create a landing page, go to system.io. You will find the link in the attached PDF. Then sign up for a free account today. I created everything for you. This is the landing page I created for you, and you only need to copy and paste since I know most of you are beginners to this market. To do so, copy the link named Funnel Link in the attached PDF, then paste to the same browser where you log in to your system.io. Then the landing page will be added automatically. To view it, go to the site. Then Sales Funnel there, you will find a funnel name called Amazon. To add your own Amazon Baby Registry affiliate link, click on Funnel Name, then click on Edit Page, then click on Register Now button at the left side. You will find Redirect URL section, remove my URL, then paste your URL and click on Save, then exit the page. To get shareable URL for this landing page, just copy the path URL. Then test it by opening a new tab. You will see the page is working when someone fill the first name and email and then click on Register. They will be directed to your affiliate link. At the same time, their email details will be added into your System.io account. You can view them on CRM, then contact. We will use this email to send automatic email, newsletter, and promote other products to them. Furthermore, I'm testing another method of CPA marketing, self-clicking once approved. You will use those real usernames and email in CPA marketing, and the offer will be converted easily without account ban since they are really one. So just hit the subscribe button and pay attention for each content that will be published on my channel. Now let's move to the final part, where to share your landing page, which will collect email for you and get paid $3 per each sign up. To start with, free method. The simple way to get free traffic is through social media. Create a post with a headline like, "Claim your free Amazon Baby Registry gifts today." Promote your landing page via Facebook parenting groups, Pinterest boards, YouTube Shorts, and TikTok with new mom tips. But after I tested a lot, if you use Pinterest and TikTok, posts can go viral for free and bring traffic for months. Post 3 to 5 YouTube Shorts using viral clips. Pin 5 images daily to Pinterest. Join and engage in 5 niche Facebook groups per day. To create free content that will drive traffic to your landing page, kindly watch the video showing up on the screen, which shows how you will get unlimited traffic quickly. But also the next video will cover in detail with live proof on how I created viral content from scratch. For those who want paid methods, please contact me through my Facebook page, link on my bio. Thanks for watching, and see you there.